So to add this section is very simple. You just create a row with 2 columns, and then you add a video add-on and an image add-on and an image add-on. So go ahead to your Joomla SP page builder. There you go. And then you add a new row, and this row with 2 columns. This row with new 2 columns, and the first column we add a video add-on. We add a video add-on. Here we have video add-on, and then here you need to do is to add the YouTube or Vimeo video URL. For our case, then add this video here. Copy that URL, and then you paste it here. Just paste it there. That's all you need to do, and then you say apply, and then you say. Then on the other column you need to add an image add-on. Image add-on. Here you are. You choose the image and love the folders. You have created a banner images folder for images for banners. Then you upload. I'm going to give you this asset, or if you have yours you can add. Let's open it, and then we insert that banner here. Then you need to do some settings here. To be open on Lightbox. Let's have this as our color overlay. Website, and that's all you need to do. Let's click OK here, then you save. Let's see how it appears in our website now. There you go, very nice. You have added the website, then you have added the image article there. Very nice, very nice. Next, let's add this big banner here. This big banner here. So let's go ahead and create this section here. This big section here. So what you need to do is create a row. This is a row. So you go to your page builder, and then you add a row with 1 column. There you go. Then in this row you need to do some settings here. Row options settings here. And come to the style. You need to increase the padding because it's a very big. Let's put 8. 8 will do, because there is an image background there. Image background. So for the background color, let's put this color here. Yeah. And then for the overlay, let's put this one here. This one here. You can put any. You see it is good. And there you go. We need to add an image. Just an image. Let's put it here in a banner. So this is the image and office. Put here under the banner background. This is the image here. Put that image there. So image, now repeat, background side cover, let it be fixed. So the position let it be center so that it can cover all the. And all that you need to do, that's all you need to do. Then you say okay, let's see how it goes. There you are. So far so good, Yeah, so far so good. But now let's enter the content. First one is this content here. So you go there. In the same row, you add the add-on, text add-on. So you add the title there. There you go. Then you say the title should be center, alignment, content, in the center there. Then you apply, say okay, let us save. See how it goes now. There you are. They come good. Let's add now the button. This button here. Button here. Then you go to add a new add-on button. Button text is contact us now. Now, limit is the center. For now, we don't want to direct it to any. Let it not be a big one, extra large. Then here be rounded. Put an icon. Maybe here. Contact. Put this one on the left. It's okay. Then you apply. Then you save. Let's see how it goes. There you go. It is nice. But I think you need to do some setting here so that it can be bigger. Let's do some settings. Let's do some settings. Let's do some settings for the text here. Yeah, let extra bold. Let extra bold. Let's be bold here. Then the style here. Have that X. Let's see how it appears. There you go. Still big now. And let's do this settings here. The 100. There you go. Let us save. See how it appears. There you go. Final settings will be, let's see, for the button here, style. Text there, that here. Be good. There you are. And the button. There. Right. And then save. So there you are. Don't worry again. Don't worry about the font and the color. So we are going to do that at a later date. So there you go, there you are. We have added that section. So if you have any question or comment, please comment and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.